Now, the free body diagram we just understood about for the two blocks. Let's say the two blocks, one of mass m1 and one of mass m2 is supported one another with the contact one after one. This is the first case, and again we have the same two blocks of mass m1 and m2. I will make the equation for solution for one type of situation. You need to form the another situation solution. Okay. In the first case, the force is applied at block of mass m1. Okay. And in the second case, the force is applied on block of mass m2. Clear? Now, when we apply the force on block m1, initially we find it will not get motion because of this block m2 oppose its motion by a small force F. Clear? So we get it applies a force F to mass m1. That is why we get it will not move. But after applying more force or extra effort, we get the body is get in motion in the direction of applied force. Clear? And in this situation, this is small object apply a force F which opposing it or which opposite the force, and after some time we find the both objects move together with an acceleration. This is the situation. Always remember the force applied move in the direction of the application. Okay? For solving the situation, you need to make the separate free body diagram. This is m1 and this is m2. Okay? Always remember the second or the free end of the free body diagram or attached motion diagram, the free end solve first. Which one is free end? तो free end is that जहां से फोर्स नहीं लगा है. फोर्स यहां से लगा तो m2 फ्री एंड पे, फोर्स m2 पे लगा तो m1 फ्री एंड पे. तो पहले आपको m2 सॉल्व करना है. m2 पे जो फोर्स लगा है वो कितना आफ्टर अपोजिशन, ये आएगा आपका f. And we get it is moved with an acceleration a in this direction. Okay, and here the force applied F on m1, and we find a force due to the mass of m2 opposing this force. Clear? But thereafter it will moving in the direction of application. Now you need to solve the net force situation. यहाँ पे जो force F है, how much is? तो आंसर है this F is equal to m2a, because इसको रोकने वाला कोई नहीं. If it will get motion, it will moving with the acceleration. ठीक है? तो ये आपकी first equation बन जाएगी. Now solve here. The force applied, it is opposed by the force F, which means F minus F is equal to the net force. How much is net force? So answer is m1a. Understood? Now from here you will get this F is equal to m1a and plus this F, and this F is equal to m2. So it is m1a plus m2a. Take a as common and you will get m1 plus m2. Always remember, in these kind of situation you need to first calculate the acceleration. कितना acceleration वो होगा due to this application of force. So this acceleration is equal to F upon m1 plus m. This much is the acceleration. ठीक है. What is the quantity of force which opposing this applied force? So answer is this. By using this A here, we get m2 F upon m1 plus m. Understood? This is how we solve the connected mode equation for two bodies. Now, if you are solving for it, I just this is small f on 2, and for the second body the force applied from here, and we find this small object opposing this force, and the body is moving in opposite direction here. Now the equation for this F is m1a, and for this F minus this equal to m2a. By using the values, this F will become m2a plus F, that is m2a plus m1a. So you will get from here a m1 plus m2, that is a is equal to F m1 plus m2. This is the acceleration. In both the cases, the acceleration are seen if the two masses are same. But the small force, or you can say opposing force, will change. m1 and value of A is F upon m1 plus m2. How much it will be different? So answer in the proportion of the difference between the two masses. Okay? So this is how you can solve the two body connectivity. Okay? Next. Done? Next point is three body connected motion. Bodies in contact. See. This is M1. This is M2, this is M3. 4, 5, 6 कितने भी होंगे ऐसे बनाना है. The force applied from here, F force is applied to the smaller body. Then we find the total system after the smaller body opposing this applied force by a force F1. Simple. Now the two systems are solved. The third one is opposing the remaining force by F2. And what we find? The body is getting motion in the direction of applied force. Understood? तो इसी तरह से दूसरा सिचुएशन जब आप बनाएंगे, one, two, and now is F3. And the force applied from the bigger block. Then the two system opposing this applied force with a force F1. Now the two bodies are solved. Then the smaller force, which is F2, opposing the complete force. And what we find? We get the body get acceleration in application. ठीक है, इसको आपको सॉल्व करना. For solving it, we make the separate diagram. Again, from where starting to solve the question from the free end. Free end क्या है? M3. तो M3 को पहले M3 इधर जा रहा है, किस फोर्स से? इस F2 से. कितना एक्सीलरेशन देगा ये? तो आंसर है A, and it will be moving here. This is M3. Now M2. M2 को अपोज कर रहा है कौन? F2. एक्सीलरेशन कितना मिला? F1. This is your M2. And the last body is M1. Applied force F and opposing with F. Now make the situation. इसका situation क्या होगा? This is how much? So this F2 is equal to mass and acceleration gain, m3a. Clear? Now this situation is here. F1 is greater than F2, and net force is equal to mass of m2 into acceleration. Solve it. So this F1 is equal to m2a plus F2. Use this result. This F1 is equal to m2a plus m3a. Understood? Now solve this. F minus F1 equal to mass into gain acceleration. Solve it. So you will get this F is equal to m1a plus F1. Use this result. m1a plus m2a plus m3a. Calculate from here acceleration, that is m1, m2, m3. So acceleration you will get from here, that a is equal to f upon m1, m2, m3. This is acceleration gained by the block jump. Now the force experience or opposing force F1. Yes. Where is F1? M1 plus M2. M2 plus M3. A. So this is your F1. Use the value of A in F1. Then you will get from here this F1 is equal to M2 plus M3, and value of A F upon M1 plus M2 plus M3. This is the first opposing force. Now the second opposing force is here. This F2 is how much? So M3 and value of A. Solve for this by your own. कुछ नहीं आएगा. That you will get F2 M1 F upon M1 M2 M3. When you calculate F1, then this after this M1 plus M2 F upon m1, m2, m3. This is f1 and the value of acceleration is f upon, आई थिंक कि सिस्टम समझ में आया, ठीक है। स्ट्रिंग के साथ आप सॉल्व करेंगे। इन प्लेस ऑफ एफ वी आर यूजिंग देयर टी। व्हेन यू आर सॉल्विंग विद रिंग स्प्रिंग देन K1, K2 and K3 and so on. Thank you.